Chapter 7. More about animals. Topics covered: living in a group, groups of animals, behavior of animals, shy, friendly and aggressive animals, honeybees and flowers, collection of honey and its importance. Most of the animals are social in nature. They like to live in a group. Each group has a leader. All the members of the group follow their leader and respect him. Living in a group. The animals live in a group because it has many benefits. Some of these are as follows. The animals as a group provide protection to each other, especially in times of danger or difficulty. The animals as a group are able to defend themselves against their enemies. The attacker thinks before attacking such a big group. The animals together can search for food and water. They can hunt an animal bigger than their size. The animals also share the work. This makes their life more disciplined. They also learn to cooperate with each other in every work. Groups of animals. A herd is a large group of animals. The group of elephants, buffaloes, zebras, and deer is also called a herd. In a group of elephants, the oldest female leads the group. The elephants walk quietly in a line. Young ones stay close to their mothers. A group of birds is called flock. They feel safe and are able to find food easily. Many of the large birds fly a V formation. This helps in reducing the energy needed to fly over long distances. A group of lions is called pride. There are usually 2 males, 6 females, and cubs in a pride. The lions lays around while the lioness leads the group. She hunts for the group and provides food to lions and cubs. A group of sheep is called flock. An older member is the leader. Others blindly follow the leader. A group of fish is called shoal. All fish in a group move in the same direction. It is called swarming. This confuses the attacker. A troop or band consists of a group of monkeys or chimpanzees. About 50 to 60 members are a part of the group. The oldest male leads the group. 1 or 2 members are always on the guard. They help each other, combing each other's fur, sharing and facing enemy together. A group of wolves is called pack. There are about 6 to 7 wolves in a group related to each other by blood. The parents protect their babies. A group of ants is called colony. They all perform a specific duty and maintain perfect harmony in their group. A pod is a social group of whales. The bond between mother and calf is the strongest. Members of a pod protect one another. The toothed whales travel in large pods. They frequently hunt their prey in groups, migrate together, and care for their young ones. Observe any such group and you will find that the number of members in the groups may differ, but they care for each other. They warn each other if they sense any danger. They exchange information and share the source of food and water. They take care of all the young ones. Monkeys pick lice off each other. We can clearly see that they like to stay together and feel safe and happy together. Behavior of animals. Animals behave differently with each other. Some are frightened of humans too. We can categorize some animals as friendly and others as shy or aggressive. Most friendly animals are easy to domesticate and keep as pets. Cows, dogs, cats, ducks, and others are common pets or domestic animals. They do not feel threatened by man. Shy, friendly, and aggressive animals. All animals are different from each other. It is because each one has a different nature. Some of the animals are shy by nature. They run away at the slightest sound of human beings. For example, mouse, squirrel, chameleon, dragonfly, deer, lizard, etc. are shy animals. Some animals are very friendly. Example, cat, dog, rabbit, parrot, etc. They are playful companions. The animals kept on farm are called farm animals. Example, sheep, hen, horse, etc. Many people depend on them for their livelihood. Some animals are aggressive, such as the wild beasts. They become angry when attacked and their space is intruded. Most of the carnivores are aggressive and avoid contact with human beings. A fact file. Dolphins are friendly animals and are great entertainers. They play in water and entertain people. Honeybees and flowers. Have you seen honeybees hovering over or sitting on flowers? Do you know why they are attracted to flowers? Honeybees are attracted to flowers because flowers are brightly colored and some of them have a sweet smell. Do you know that honeybees get something very useful from flowers? In turn, they help flowers in a big way. Flowers produce a sweet liquid called nectar. Honeybees visit flowers to get this nectar. They have a long tube-like tongue. When they sit on a flower, they insert this tongue into the flowers and suck the nectar. Flowers produce pollen. When a honeybee is busy sucking nectar from a flower, pollen grains stick to it. When the bee moves on to another flower, some of the pollen grains from the first flower fall on the second flower. Transfer of pollen grains from one flower to another is called pollination. This helps the plant to make or create new seeds that grow into plants. This is how honeybees help flowers. Collection of honey and its importance. In our country, many people collect honey from beehives by simply smoking the area under the hive. They light a fire under the tree with the hive in it. The smoke makes bees fly out of the hive. The collectors then quickly climb up the tree and break off the hive pieces and bring them down. Many tribal people sell these pieces as they are with the honey, and bee wax in the cells of the hive is quite clearly visible. They can also sell it to others who extract the honey using an extraction plant which separates the honey from everything else. The honey is then tested for purity and quality, bottled and sold in the market. Nowadays, Many people rear honeybees on artificial hives created in wooden boxes. Rearing of honeybees for their honey is called apiculture. An apiculturist has hive tools and a net veil which he or she wears over the head and face when he or she has to remove honey from the artificial hive. Inside the hive or honeycomb are a series of rectangular plates on which worker bees make cells or compartments. The queen lays eggs in these. Workers gather nectar and pollen to make honey. The honey can be periodically removed from the artificial frames.
A.